Hi, I'm Dan Collins, a Sacramento, California real estate broker and licensed general contractor who specializes in selling properties in probate. I published a book, Probate and Trust Estate Administration Tips and Tricks, which is available on Amazon. I have developed effective systems to position and sell probate properties that can sometimes save 4 or more months on time to complete a probate involving real property. To learn more, please visit my website, collinsfiduciarybroker.com. An often overlooked estate planning goal is to structure estate plans in a way that allows our beneficiaries to inherit our current and often relatively low property tax base. A major factor these days in housing-related expenses is the cost of property taxes. Our property taxes in California are based on our home's assessed value from the county assessor's office. The property tax rate is applied to its assessed value, and voila, the annual tax is due. Therefore, to be sure and to do whatever we can to keep the assessed value of our real property as low as possible. When passed in 1976, California Proposition 13 helped taxpayers a great deal by limiting annual assessment increases to a maximum of 2% per annum. Going forward, that valuation base is preserved so long as the property is not sold or transferred in a way that triggers reassessment. When a property is sold, the property will be reassessed by the local assessor to its current market value, and property taxes often substantially increase when reassessment occurs. When it comes to estate planning, avoid having your loved ones inherit property in a way that causes the property to be reassessed. Protection is afforded under California Revenue and Taxation Code Section 62D. California property owners can transfer their real estate to a revocable trust without triggering reassessment. In addition, pursuant to Revenue and Taxation Code Section 63, married spouses can transfer real property to each other during lifetime and at death through will or trust without triggering reassessment. In addition, California Proposition 58 provides that when a parent transfers property to a child, whether as a gift during lifetime or through will or trust at their death, the transfer is exempt from reassessment. The exemption may be applied to a principal residence and up to $1 million in additional property. It is important to remember that a claim must be filed for the parent-child exemption to apply. In addition, California Proposition 193 provides an exemption from reassessment if a grandparent transfers property to the grandchild, either during lifetime or through death in a will or a trust, if the grandchild's parent was deceased. Having a low tax base on inherited property can be a tremendous benefit, and many heirs are using their inherited properties as second homes or income property for many times more than what they're paying in Prop 13 controlled property taxes. However, sometimes while drafting estate planning documents, attorneys may include provisions that cause property to be reassessed when it could have otherwise been exempt from reassessment. Common provisions include a trustee has the express authorization or discretion to sprinkle or spray income from a family trust to members of the family who aren't exempt from reassessment, such as grandchildren when the grandparent is still living, nephews, nieces, etc., or when life estates or right to occupancy for life is created in favor of someone who is not exempt from reassessment. Based on opportunities and pitfalls that exist, it is important that all estate planning documents be analyzed and prepared carefully by an attorney with knowledge in the area of California real property taxation. If you are buying or selling a piece of probate or conservatorship real estate and you don't care about saving time or money, any licensed real estate broker will do. But if time and money are important to you, then hire the best. Hire Collins Fiduciary Broker to represent you in your fiduciary property transaction. After all, we know probate. If you want to know more ways to avoid estate administration pitfalls, please read my new book, probate and trust estate administration tips and tricks on Amazon. And if you would like a free PDF copy, you may text me or call me at area code 916-215-2042. For more videos and information, feel free to visit my website, collinsfiduciarybroker.com. I'm Dan Collins. Thank you for watching.